Good morning students. Welcome in science class. I am your science teacher. As you know that beta, we have already discussed the topic nutrients. Now today we are going to do different activities on this topic. Do one activity that is based on nutrient. Okay. We have already discussed the topic nutrient. So आज हम करेंगे कि test the presence of carbohydrate in food. ठीक है, हाउ वी कैन टेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन फूड. कार्बोहाइड्रेट क्या है बेटा? कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज अ न्यूट्रिएंट. तो फॉर दैट वी रिक्वायर वन पोटैटो. फॉर दैट एक्टिविटी वी रिक्वायर वन पोटैटो. कट द पोटैटो, वन पोटैटो नाइफ. यू कैन कट द पोटैटो इन टू pieces. Okay, one dropper and iodine solution. This is the iodine solution. Okay, so first cut the potato in a simple slice. Okay, this is the potato slice. Now take the dropper and drop few drop of iodine solution. Few drop of iodine solution. Okay, this is iodine solution. Drop few drop of iodine solution on the slice of potato. Okay, after few seconds you will observe that the potato, the color of the potato will turn into blue black. दिख रहा है ना बेटा आपको? The color of the potato will turn into blue black color. Okay, and this is due to the presence of carbohydrate in the food. You can do this test on rice, cooked rice, banana slice also. Okay, look at the potato slice. The color of the potato will change into blue black color. Okay, this is the test to presence of carbohydrate in food. Okay beta. Now beta, this is your second activity. Okay, this is your second activity, that is sources of food. Write on the top sources of food. Okay, now take a pencil and a compass and make a circle. This activity you have to make in your fair notebook. Okay, make a circle like this. Wait for a minute. ओके, ऐसे आपने सर्कल बनाना. नाउ टेक अ स्केल. Take a scale and make a line. Divide it into two parts. Now divide it into 4 parts. Okay, on the first side you have to write carbohydrates. Here you have to draw or paste the sources of carbohydrates. Here it is, you can write here protein. You can draw and paste two sources of protein. Then next here you have to write fats, and here vitamins and minerals. Okay, so you can paste two sources of carbohydrates, picture of two sources of carbohydrate, or you can draw it also. ठीक है, तो आपने इसके ऊपर या तो आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो या फिर आप इसके ऊपर पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. ड्रॉ करने के लिए जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट, यू कैन मेक शुगर. like this. You can write here sugar. You can make potato also. This is potato. Okay, two sources of each category. Now protein, you can make egg here. This is egg. Fish, then fats, you can make here. Oil, make almond. Nuts. Okay, now vitamin and mineral, you can make milk also. Milk, you can make here fruits. This is banana. You can grapes. So you can make different fruits. So in this way you can draw or you can paste the different pictures of sources of food. Okay, this is your second activity. Okay beta, do this activity in your fair notebook.